Yeah. Ever feel like ChatGPT just doesn't get what you want? Yeah. A lot of that comes down to your prompts. In this guide, I'll show you how to create better prompts in ChatGPT so you get accurate, relevant, and useful responses every time. Vague prompts give vague answers. Instead of asking, write something about marketing, say, write a 200-word blog introduction about 5 digital marketing strategies for small businesses. Specific prompts give targeted, actionable results. Tell ChatGPT who the content is for, the purpose, and the tone. Even a single sentence of context can dramatically improve accuracy and relevance. For long or complicated requests, break them into smaller parts. Ask for an outline first, then details, then examples. Step by step prompts reduce errors and improve clarity. Request bullet points, tables, or numbered lists. Structured responses are easier to read, verify, and use. To get creative outputs or pick the best result, ask for multiple versions at once. For example, 3 email drafts or 5 blog titles. Then choose the best one. If the first answer isn't perfect, refine it with follow up prompts. Ask ChatGPT to simplify, expand, or adjust tone. Iterative refinement improves results faster than rewriting manually. Keep a library of your best prompts for repeated tasks like emails, reports, or content creation. Reusing proven prompts saves time and ensures consistent quality. And that's it. Be specific, provide context, break complex tasks into steps, request structured answers, generate multiple options, refine outputs, and save your best prompts. Follow these steps, and you'll create better prompts in ChatGPT every time.